Alright, we're putting in Starlink. First, gotta dig a post hole. Got the hole dug. Me and my wonderful sister are gonna set this post. Be back when I do that. Alright, got the post in. Now we gotta build a little mounting thing up there. Be back when I do that. Alright, got the mounting platform constructed. It's ugly, but it's a good thing I don't care about aesthetics. See you when I mount the Starlink. Alright, we're running to go get pipe. It's a change of plans. I don't want to mount the Starlink yet, just in case I don't get it done today. Just working on getting it prepped, running to get the pipe, because the Cat 6 cable that comes with Starlink is not rated for direct bury, so I want to make sure I'm safe. Get the pipe, dig the trench. I'll be back when I dig the trench and lay the pipe in it. Alright, got the pipe laid in there. Got a rope going up into the house. I had a little coax cable here that was pointless. Went up there to the antenna. And I ripped that out and put rope in, so I should be able to push the little Starlink cable through, up, tie it to the rope, get it inside. I'll be back when I mount the Starlink. Got her mounted. Got the cable ran through the pipe into the house. I would not recommend using 3/4 inch. It is very tight. I had to cut it and splice it in the middle there. Couldn't make it 20 feet. So turn it on here. Back when I do that. Got everything hooked up and going. Satellite wire going down into the pipe. I got silicone on that so water doesn't go in and freeze in the winter. And I'm going to end this off here because all that I got to do left here is the tedious online stuff, and it's starting to get dark. So thank you all for watching. Have a good night. Peace.